and welcome to W3CSS Paragraphs demo. I am Alaa Haddad, the developer for the W3CSS theme and the W3CSS Paragraphs. If you want to build along with me, you will need the following: the Drupal 9 or 10 site installed, the W3CSS theme, the W3CSS Paragraphs module, the Paragraphs module, the Entity Reference Revisions module, and the field group. I have on my local dummy Drupal site installed with some dummy content, nothing customized, all the basic. I downloaded the theme and all the required modules, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's for the default, the basic default bundle. In this demo, we will create the Drupal plug, the W3CSS Paragraphs Drupal plug. So to do that, I'm going to enable the theme, the W3CSS theme, and I'm going to enable the required module, which W3CSS, and I'm using the Drupal plug, this one, and I click install, and it should install all the required modules. As you see here, it asks you for this one. I am going to add also structure, add custom block. By default, if Drupal has just a basic block, this is a block type was created. If you wanted to create another block type, just like content type, you will go and create one. I'm using the basic one. I want to go structure, add custom block, and I should add a block, and this one, let's do this one. This is just the basic block, nothing fancy in it. Click and save. I can add it to, let's add it to the header to see it. What is that block really? I'm going to visit the site. Here is the block, the one I added. So let's say I wanted to print this block in a node. I'm going to add for this demo, I'm adding a new content type. Add content type, pick a name, and save. I'm deleting the body field, adding a paragraph field to reference the bundle. I'm adding the field, adding this one. I'm excluding this one. This is just a shared bundle. You don't want to see it anyway. Save setting. Once we are now, so we create the content type, let's go and add content. I'm going to add a content, add a title, and that's what I need. I'm going to add a block. For each or for any paragraph, W3CSS paragraph bundle has two tabs, content and display. Content is to enter the content. Display is for customize, change the display of the content on the page. There is for any paragraph box, I have an image here. It may demonstrate the what it is exactly, or what is the feature you can change for any paragraph block. It's a box. You could consider it as a box, and this box has a background and content or text inside it, and this box has a padding, that's the gray, and then border, that's the white, and then margin, that's the dark gray, and the width. So these are features. I can change them from the display, and that under display, this is what we need to do. We can change the display for this content. So I'm going first to add a block, add in a title, if you like. This is not required, but I'm adding it to see. And I'm gonna say custom, and this is the block I added here, and I click save. I want to see just the default So this is the default without any customization. If I click edit and I'm going under display, I can pick a background, change the opacity, let's do 10, change the width. That's enough for now. Let's click save, see what's happening. Oh, okay, here's the block. Change the background, change the opacity. Let's go add more features. So if I want to add rounded corners, I can add shadow, drop shadow, margin. All these things can be added on the fly. Straight. This is the border color. If you add border colors, you have to add borders. And I can add hover for the border. I can change the text color also, indigo, and make it hover change. I can change the background color on hover, and I will click save. I want to see what's happening here. So here is the box. If I click here, look at it, it's changing. This is how much you can change. If I go back, I believe there is an advance. Yeah, this one, this field, it's advanced. What it means you have to be familiar with some CSS classes, and I have it under setting in advanced side colors. And there are some classes here. I added some custom CSS classes plus the W3CSS framework classes. These are the classes you can use also here, like these classes or something like that in this field. So I can add this one, link grid. Do we have link? Not sure if I have link. Let's see what's happening. I don't have link here. So, but if you have link, this is for the link. And I added just some classes here for to demonstrate, but this is for more advanced. You can also play with them, add the classes to see what is the change. This is for Drupal block. It's good to print it anywhere and use it. And I think this is cover all this bundle. I hope you like the demo, and thank you for watching.